and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Traveler's Notebook journal that I just purchased for my trip to Arizona. I will leave a link in one of the corners for my Arizona haul video of other things that I purchased for my birthday trip / vacation, but this was one of the items I wanted to take with me as a travel journal sketchbook. So let's open it up and see everything that came with it. If you are interested in purchasing this traveler's notebook for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below for you to check it out. This was so affordable. I'm so happy that I happened to stumble across this on Amazon. The normal Traveler's Notebook from Traveler's Notebook Company are quite expensive. I'm assuming that's because you pay for the quality as well as the import tax. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to make the investment in that one just yet because I wasn't sure if it's something that I would enjoy using or would continue using in the future. This one was perfect for trying out because on Amazon at the time of this recording, it was just under $30. So it's very affordable if it's something you wanted to test out before purchasing the more expensive brand. So enough rambling, let's open this and take a look at it. So this says a treasure by September Leather and handmade. I did a quick look into September Leather. They do have their own website and there really isn't much about the company or person behind this, which is unfortunate. I thought they'd have a about me or an about us page to talk about the company. On their FAQ page it does say these products are made to order. The time frame from start to finish will be about 2 business days, and since this is a handmade piece, expect minor imperfections, and this is what makes your product so special. Wow, this does come packaged quite nicely. So right away, this is probably a jump band to connect additional notebooks and expand how many you can have inside your traveler's journal. This is a pen loop in here and have it on the side of your traveler's notebook while you're traveling. I'm not sure how much I'll use this in particular because I'll be carrying other pouches, but we'll see. It's definitely a nice addition. And finally, we have the notebook itself, which it's in this thin cloth bag, probably to prevent any scratching on the notebook. I did get a dark brown color. It seemed like this was the only color option they had available, which I'm fine with. I'm trying to show the color on camera. It's not coming out quite accurately. And there are lots of goodies inside, so let's open it up. This strap keeps everything inside if you aren't familiar with Traveler's Notebooks. And I believe they said this is real leather, so it will scuff up and wear over time, which I personally like. So let's take out this stuff. And inside, it looks like it has 4 bands to stick notebooks in, plus your extra ones, so there's plenty of space for notebooks in this. This is 8.5 inches tall and 4.5 inches wide, which is the standard size of a traveler's notebook. So now let's get into the other goodies that were included. So we have this beautiful vintage looking binder clip to hold your notebooks open when you're traveling. They did send a pen. So we have a plastic pouch over here that zippers closed, and it has areas where you can put like business cards, and on this side it's just a big open pocket. So that's very handy. So this is a craft folder that is perfect for holding items as well as sliding them in these slots. And then lastly we have some notebooks. It says There is 3 standard 21 centimeters by 11 centimeter notebooks. They're 64 pages each. So the first one, it looks like it's a blank notebook. If we're comparing the paper to regular printer paper, it is slightly thicker and obviously a creamier color. And then this is a thin craft paper cover. So this is a blank notebook. Again, 64 pages. This one is a gridded notebook. And they are stapled. And lastly, this one is a lined notebook paper. So I'm looking forward to putting these notebooks in and setting up my traveler's journal. So this is an example of what this traveler's notebook could look like when it's all filled up. We have our pen loop on our craft folder. We have our first notebook, the blank one, the other side of the craft folder. And then this zippered pocket. We have the binder clip if we want to have this with us when we want to keep our notebook open. This is the grid notebook. The other side of the plastic folder with the plastic pockets. And lastly, we have the lined paper. So I want to explain how to use these jump bands if you're not familiar or new to Traveler's Notebooks. And this is if you have all your bands filled up, but yet you wanted to add other notebooks. What you would do is take 2 notebooks, open them up to the center. We're gonna put the jump band through one, and then open your second notebook, put in this jump band across the center of that second notebook, and then you have 2 together, and you would slip this through the loop inside the Traveler's Journal. That way it allows you to have 2 notebooks per 1 band inside the journal. So I think I'm going to look into making my own notebooks and even a watercolor sketchbook to put inside here. And once I have it all set up the way I want, I will give you guys a little setup tour. Because I've never owned a real Traveler's Notebook from the Traveler's Company, it's hard for me to have anything to compare it to. But I'm curious what you guys think, if you are interested in these Traveler Notebooks, or if you will be purchasing one for yourself. Please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video of the Traveler's Notebook. If you have Traveler's Notebooks, let me know in the comments below, because I am so new to this, but definitely very excited to start using it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!